So I'm going to tell you how you can balance like really heavy and huge toppers on top of a cake, be it whipped cream, ganache, buttercream or fondant. This technique is going to come in handy for you. Now you're going to start with a plastic dowel that is quite sturdy. You have to insert that onto the cake and then mark the level to the height of the cake. Pull the dowel out and then cut it in the exact measurement of the height of the cake. And this you're going to insert it in the same place, but that place is where exactly you want the topper on top of the cake. Now that large topper that you've made should have a really thick and a long dowel or a support wire that needs to be the same height as the cake. Now if it was probably a little longer than the height of the cake, then you go ahead and cut that particular wire or support to the exact size of the cake. And in this plastic dowel which you've inserted into the cake, there will be a bit of gap between the plastic dowel and the skewer that is holding the huge topper, and we are just going to fill in that gap between the dowel and this skewer. Now melted compound is going to do the magic for you. I'm just taking in a little bit of milk compound. You can take dark or white or whichever is suitable, and you're going to pipe that right inside the plastic dowel. And before the chocolate sets, you're going to insert this huge topper along with the skewer to go in all the way till the bottom of the cake. And if the cake is already cold, now that skewer will set together with the chocolate, that will become solid. Or if not, you're going to place this entire cake together with the large topper into the freezer or fridge until the chocolate sets. And after which you can be 100% sure that this cake is going to even travel so safely in transport, or then it is just going to stay in the same place without it toppling over, and this entire weight will be able to balance on top of the cake. Hope you like this tip. Go ahead and try to use this technique, and if you did, go tag Fun Bites and I'll be really happy to see if you're going to use all these tips and tricks.